Welcome to the AI Use Cases for Beginners series. These are short videos that's focusing on tactical ways for you to use AI as a beginner to make more money, to save money, and to save time in your business. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use AI to create referral programs for you to get more leads. My name is Vin Nguyen, co-founder of WorkSmart AI, an AI growth partner agency where we help local B2B businesses grow using AI. Let's get started. For this demo, I'm gonna pretend that I own a roofing company. And here we're gonna use AI to create two types of referral programs. The first one is client referral program, and the second one is affiliate referral partner program, where you get referrals from other local business owners in the area. Let's get started. So here I'm in my Gemini, and I have this very long prompt. And again, do not worry about copying this prompt because there's gonna be a link for you down at the bottom of this video where you can go to my free Skool community to grab all these prompts in this entire series. So the prompt says, act as an expert business coach. The instruction is design a 360-degree referral program specifically for a roofing company. The context is I'm a business owner looking to launch a high conversion client referral program. Need a comprehensive plug-and-play strategy that incentivizes my current clients to refer high-quality leads. And then I have my requirements here. The program structure, propose a dual-sided incentive, what the referrer gets versus what the new client gets. Include a tier reward like bronze, silver, gold to encourage multiple referrals. Second thing is the aha moment. Identify 3 specific touch points in my customer journey where the client is most likely to refer someone. Third one is operational workflow. Suggest a low friction way to track these referrals without expensive software. Some examples like using CRM, specific Google Forms, or even unique digital codes. Number 4, messaging templates. Write 3 short, high impact copy templates for a post-purchase thank you, email, text, social media announcement post, and lastly, 1-sentence verbal script for my team to use in person. And number 5, which is the anti-fraud and logic, include 2 simple rules to ensure that the program isn't abused, like for example, minimum spend requirement. Now, make sure you turn this on through thinking mode before you hit submit. All right, let's look at the output. The program structure, the Apex rewards tier. So bronze is for the first referral, which is $250 gift card, and to the new client, the hook is $250 discount or free gutter cleaning. Silver, second referral, which is $500 gift card or cash. And then again, the same offer, $250 discount or free gutter cleaning. The last one is going to be a gold tier, which is 3 or more referrals. And that's going to be $750 reward plus VIP maintenance. And then again, to the new client, it's the same offer, $250 discount or free gutter cleaning. Note, the VIP maintenance for a gold member includes a free annual roof inspection for 3 years. It keeps you on their property and top of mind. That's brilliant. So for sure, they're gonna use you when it comes to maintenance and repairs. Number 2, the aha moment when to ask for referrals. The first one is the contract relief post-signature. Right after they sign, the stress of finding a roofer vanishes. They are relieved and likely to know neighbors in the same boat. Absolutely. Number 2, the cleanup sweep, post-job cleanup. When your crew is packing up and the yard is spotless, this is when the wow factor of your professionalism is most visible. That's great. And lastly, the first rain, post-storm validation. 24 hours after the first heavy rain following the install, send a text. How did the new roof hold up? And when they say great, that's your opening. I really like this. All right, number 3, which is how you operationalize this referral program for low friction tracking. You don't need a $500 a month software suite. Use the last name plus zip code protocol. So the tool we're gonna use is Google Forms linked to Google Sheet. On a side note, if you don't know how to do that, you can use AI to help you set that up. The code is gonna be tell clients, your referral code is your last name plus your zip code. Great. In process 1, new leads enter their referral code on your website, contact form, or tell their rep, and your admin logs into the lead in Google Sheet. And then once the job is paid in full, then the sheet triggers pay reward task. That's a pretty simple setup. Number 4 is all about the messaging of this referral program. I'm not going to go over that. Lastly, which is the anti-fraud and logic rules. So the first one is the full slope rule. Referrals only apply to full roof replacement, minimum of 15 squares. Minor repairs or leak patches do not qualify for the cash reward, though you might send a $25 Starbucks cards as a courtesy. Absolutely. The final payment costs. No rewards are issued until the referred client's project is paid in full, and the 3-day write-up recession has passed. This prevents people from referring friends who cancel or don't pay. That's genius. So there it is. There's your new client referral program. Now let's move on to using AI to set up your affiliate partner referral program. So I'm just gonna stay on this same chat here and just paste in this prompt that says, act as an expert business coach. I'm looking to identify other local businesses to partner up with that would be a good referral source for me. Give me a top list of complementary local businesses for referral partnerships. And again, making sure that thinking mode is still on. All right, now let's look at the output. As your coach, I recommend focusing on partners that intersect with your customers at 3 critical trigger points. First one's real estate transaction, buying or selling. Second one is restoration event, storm, damage. Third is home efficiency upgrade, like solar, HVAC, and windows. So for the first one, the big 3 high volume partners. Residential real estate agent. In Texas, roof is often the #1 point of negotiation during a home sale. If an agent has a client whose roof won't pass inspection, they need a roofer who can show up fast to provide quote or repair. So here's the approach to them. Offer a priority inspection guarantee. Tell them, if you have a deal on the line, I'll get a tech out there within 4 hours to give you a definite answer so you can close. It's pretty good. The second one is independent insurance agent. After a South Texas hailstorm, homeowners call their agent before they call you. So local independent agents want to recommend someone who won't ghost the client or overcharge the carrier. The approach is provide them with a claim-ready photo reports, send them a sample of how you document damage, making their job of filing the claim 10 times easier. That's pretty good. And lastly, the solar lead gen and installer. You cannot put solar on a bad roof. Solar reps often find themselves stuck because the homeowner wants the panel but the roof is 15 years old. The approach is offer a solar-ready certification. You inspect the roof and certify it for a 25-year solar life, or give them a preferred price to replace it so they can sell their panels. And here's other partners, potential partners that I can go after, which is the curb appeal, they call it. Window and sliding contractors, gutter cleaning and repair services, and then pest control companies. And that's because they often find roof rot or structural issues that you need to fix before they can seal the house. That makes sense. 2026 tech green partners, strategic niche, smart home integrator. Homeowners installing high-end security or automations are usually high net worth. They value preventive maintenance. Eco consultant, energy auditors. Energy efficient is top priority. These professionals recommend cool roofs or better insulation, both of which require roofer's touch. It's pretty good. And then here's kind of like the highlight, the coach's playbook for partnerships. So dealing with real estate agent, what you give them is a free pre-listing roof assessment, and what they give you is referrals for roof that fails inspection. For insurance agents, give them a drone footage of their claim files, and what they give you is direct calls after a localized storm event. For solar, you're giving them preferred pricing for their re-roof clients, and they give you leads that were disqualified due to roof age. And lastly, gutter company, $100 scout fee for any roof leak they spot, and then what they give you is photos of damaged shingles during cleaning. I like that. So here's our list of potential local business to partner up with to get referrals from. Let's take this one step further. And I'm going to say now act as a direct response marketing copywriter and draft a compelling email for me to send to these business owners to set up a meeting. And here it is. So here's the email template that I use, copy and paste, and send it to real estate agents, send it to solar installers, and then lastly for insurance agents. If you want the prompt in this video, you can just grab them for free in my free Skool community with the link below. Thank you for watching.